Joining us this morning is Tim Houston, the Premier of Nova Scotia. Premier Houston, thank you for the time. It's good to have you.
Bill, thanks for having me. I appreciate it.
So what do you think an American audience should take away from this announcement today?
Look, we're making a response from Canada that's, I would say, is necessary and appropriate. But the reality is that this is not good for Americans, not good for Canadians. We have a long-standing relationship, family ties, business ties, trading routes. We're military partners. There's a long-standing relationship here, and we're not on a good path right now. So I think from the Canadian side, we want to get back to a place where we can trade more freely with each other, and we can just enjoy the benefits of being friends and neighbors and supporting each other as we grow our economy. So we need to get to a point where we can take. There's a lot of emotion in the air right now. We need to take a little bit of air out of that bubble and hopefully get to a place where we can negotiate a fair deal for everyone.
Right. What do you think? What will it take to get the air out of that bubble and at least get back to some discussions?
Yeah, I'm not too sure because it's a really difficult time right now. So, but look, the history is on our side. I mean, the relationship between Canada and the United States, it's more than transactions. I mean, we talk about tariffs and exports and imports. Those are all economic transactions, and they're really important for both countries. But what we have is more than economic transactions. We have a full relationship. And I think that relationship, which, there's a lot of emotion involved because emotion comes into play in relationships. But this is not good for Americans. It's not good for Canadians. And if we can just get past this, then we can work together to strengthen both economies and really, take on what's really possible for both of us. So hopefully we can get back to the table. We can get through this and get back to the table and get back to a more normal relationship.
Are there measures that Nova Scotia and elsewhere in Canada are taking to protect themselves in light of the uncertainty, doing more deglobalization, cozying up with other countries while the uncertainty exists with the United States?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, what I say to Nova Scotians and to Canadians as well is we can't control what happens in Washington. We can't control the policies of this administration, but we can control what happens in Nova Scotia. We can control what happens in Canada. So we've been very focused on the energy opportunities that we have. Nova Scotia has lots of natural gas onshore and offshore. We haven't been really focused on developing that. We import a lot of natural gas right now. That's ridiculous in this environment. We should be developing our own. So natural gas, we'll push on that. We have oil, we'll push on that. We have incredible wind resources. We'll develop our wind resources. So in the energy space, we know we need to be more self-sufficient because there's certain partners we just can't depend on anymore. So we're doing that. But we're also, as you say, looking to diversify our markets. So all the exports that go to the United States, we're looking for other trading partners who are looking for reliable partners. We're looking for good products that we can offer. We can offer them across the spectrum: seafood, forestry, all kinds of products we have that the world is looking for, critical minerals. The world's looking for them. We have them. So we've, lesson learned here. The United States will always be a significant trading partner of Canada and for Nova Scotia. But we also know we can't put all the eggs in one basket. We need to find other trading partners. We're working to do that, and it is being successful. So the relationship is altered for the long term, but I think we can get back to a more normal, more respectful, fair relationship. And I think that's what Canadians want. But right now, as I say, the emotions are really high right now.